The Folding Village project utilises sustainable modular design to create a set of small residences within a repurposed industrial warehouse. A site was selected to match the specified scale of the project, which was then populated with modular housing, a public cafe, a convenience store, and utilities for the residents. The Folding Village is a response which stems from a folding pop-up module. This construction technology allowed for a response to the brief which maximised spatial efficiency while not compromising the structural framework of the existing building. By using the ARUP Resolve Framework as a guide, the Folding Village demonstrates a sustainable response utilising these principles and establishing a renewable solution to small-scale co-living housing. There are many reasons why sustainable modular design is beneficial in the current context. This can be divided into 4 broad categories, each with more specific aspects. Architects are in a unique position to address these issues through responsible and well-considered design. The following principles of the circular economy were used in the design development for the Folding Village. The principles are regenerate, and this was done through the adaptive reuse of the warehouse. Share, and this was done through facilitating the sharing of facilities on site. Optimize, this was done by prolonging the life of the building, first by using adaptive reuse and secondly for allowing for post-occupancy use. Loop, by ensuring that fixtures and fittings installed were reused products from the local area. Virtualized, by installing click and collect lockers. And exchange, by utilising water and solar harvesting. 2 precedents were investigated for this project. On the left, the Y-Cube is an example of modular architecture providing low-cost housing in London. On the right is Maddie Homes, an example of unfolding modular architecture which was utilised in this project. The site is located 2 kilometres to the central business district with good public transport connections. It is on a main road which can become congested at peak times. The building was previously used as a warehouse. It is a predominantly industrial area, but it's currently undergoing many changes and there are new high-rise apartments. This site was considered for a multi-style apartment building. The image on the left shows an overview of the site, including the bike storage area located in close proximity to the road, cafe and convenience stores, shared library, tool shed and garden at the back, and in grey are the apartment areas. 2-bedroom apartments are located on the bottom floor and 1-bedroom apartments are located on the top floor. A co-living space is located in the front of the building. Adaptive reuse is one of the core principles of the circular economy and was utilised for this project. Most of the building for this project was retained. Only minimal changes had to be made to allow access to the upper floor apartments, as shown in the diagram on the bottom right. Modular design was another key aspect in this project. By utilising modular prefabricated architecture, we were able to create the construction off-site and unfold on-site.